Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a Facebook link to your YouTube channel. So firstly, sign in your YouTube channel studio. Then in this left side, click on customization. Now click on basic info. Scroll down. Here you will see option add link. So click on this plus icon, add link. Then type Facebook. Now enter your Facebook page URL. So you can add your Facebook account URL or your Facebook page URL. Then click on publish. Now click on go to channel. So as we can see here now, Facebook icon, and this Facebook page is connected with your YouTube channel. People can visit easily by your channel Facebook link like this. So hopefully guys you like this video. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to add a Facebook link to your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.